Blender offers advanced animation tools and features suitable for creating high-quality animations and visual effects in the film industry. It supports keyframe animation, character rigging, motion tracking, and camera tracking. In the game development industry, Blender is used to create 3D models, characters, and environments. It provides features such as UV mapping, texture painting, and real-time rendering, and supports game engine integration. Professionals in architecture and interior design use Blender to create realistic 3D models and visualizations of buildings, interiors, and landscapes. It offers modeling tools, a material system, and rendering capabilities for accurate lighting, textures, and atmospheric effects. For product design and manufacturing, Blender is used to create 3D models of products and prototypes. It allows professionals to visualize and iterate designs, perform simulations, and export models for 3D printing or manufacturing processes. It also offers parametric modeling and CAD-like features. In the visual effects industry, Blender is used to create stunning visual effects and motion graphics for films, TV shows, and commercials. It supports particle simulations, fluid simulations, smoke and fire effects, and compositing capabilities for seamless integration of CG elements into live-action footage. Blender is widely used in education and research for teaching and conducting research in computer graphics, animation, and simulation. Its open-source nature allows customization and extension of functionality. Blender's extensive capabilities, flexibility, and active community make it a valuable tool across various professions. It provides a cost-effective alternative to commercial 3D software and offers a comprehensive set of features for professional-grade work. Thanks for watching. My name is Arson. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Goodbye.